city of Minneapolis. Blizzard. Snow MG 2010. I just walked through snowdrift higher than my knees. I'm on my way to work. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I feel really bad for everybody else to plow out of this in order to avoid getting towed. At this point, maybe paying the towing fee is like paying for valet. Pay $100, we'll deal with your car for you. These drifts are almost as tall as me. They're up past my waist. You see, well past my waist here. That guy got out. I'm filming through a plastic baggie, so I won't wreck my camera. I don't think it's hurting visibility that much. I'm just on the south side of downtown on Grant and Portland. Don't think I can get through that. People are walking in the street because there's absolutely no way to get anywhere on the sidewalks. That's a good example right there. Those drifts are well as tall as me. Lots of sirens, stuck cars. People are getting stuck on flat streets because they're so full of snow. Just lose momentum and can't get it back. Oh my gosh, I found sidewalk. Oh, there it goes again.